Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an Diploma C25 Mechanical Engineering third semester model question paper. Subject name is Mechanics of Material. Subject code is 25ME 31I. In this video, you are going to learn part C, 3 marks question and answers. The question is list any three characteristics of forces. So one is in magnitude, second one is in direction, third one is a point of application. Okay. So what do you mean by magnitude? It is represent size or amount of the force acting on a body. So it represent direction indicates the line along which the force acting. Point of application, it means it is exact point on the body where force applying. These are the characteristics of the force. The next question is explain longitudinal strain, lateral strain. So coming to a longitudinal strain, we'll learn the definition. Longitudinal strain nothing but before going to that, what you have to know what is the strain. Strain nothing but change in length by original length. So here the ratio of change in length of the body its original length when the subjected to an actual load, that is we call it as an longitudinal strain. So for coming to the formula, longitudinal strain is delta L nothing but change in length delta L divided by L. So where L is change in length, capital L is original length. The next is lateral strain. So lateral strain nothing but the ratio of changing lateral dimension. Lateral dimension means we can consider diameter or cross section. And its original lateral dimension due to axial load, that is we call it as an lateral strain. So we are considering here diameters. So coming to the formula, lateral strain is equal to delta D divided by D, means change in diameter to original diameter. Next is define bulk modulus. Write the formula. The bulk modulus defined as the ratio of volumetric stress to the volumetric strain within the elastic limit. So coming to the formula, volumetric stress, this is a stress, okay, this is strain, okay. The formula become K is equal to delta V divided by V divided by P. Okay, this is the formula for the bulk modulus. See, K is a bulk modulus, P is a pressure or volumetric stress, delta V is called change in volume, V is equal to original volume, SI unit is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Next is explain any three types of beam. So first one is an simply supported beam. What do you mean by simply supported beam? The beam supported one end hinged support and another end roller support. This we call it as a simply supported beam. You can give an example is called a bridge beam. So the beam, I'll write the beam. This is the beam. Any supports, it is having any support. So this is called W. This is the support. This beam we call it as an simply supported, both the end as supports, that we call it as an simply supported beam. Next coming to a next beam is called cantilever beam. Okay, next will be an cantilever beam. So cantilever beam is the beam one end is fixed, another end is free. So there the represent L, length we represent L, the beam A and B. So cantilever beam nothing but one end is fixed, another end is free at another end. That beam we call it as an cantilever. So for that you can give an example, balcony. Next is fixed beam. The beam which fixed both the ends so that rotate or movement prevented both the ends. That is, we call it as a fixed beam. Example is beam in a rigid building structure. It means at the fixed beam, if I write an example, both the ends are fixed. Both the ends are fixed. Ear to ear length we are representing L. So both the ends are fixed. The type of the beam we call it as an fixed beam. Okay. So remaining 4 questions I am going to upload next video, that is a part 2. You can watch my video. If the content is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support. Thank you.